Hey everyone, how are you guys? Good morning, good morning. I checked my mailbox this morning and I got happy mail. It was a cute envelope created and handcrafted by Elizabeth at Never Hopeless. She has an amazing YouTube channel that she shows all her beautiful journaling and crafting art that she does. She does amazing work with crocheting, and she does things that are unique that I love watching and following her. I watch her videos all the time. She inspires me to want to try to create as much as I can. And I know she has a big following, and I hope that you want to check her out if you don't know who she is. Down below is her YouTube channel, so you can follow her. But she sent me a beautiful package because I sent her some tatting thread. I found some from when I went to an estate sale, and I thought, well, I'll bundle it up because I know she likes to crochet and stuff like that. And I thought, well, maybe she liked to try tatting because tatting thread is so small, liberty balls kind of thing, and it's like a whole different art in itself. But when I got the envelope, this is what came up. I'm covering up my address, of course. But she had, look at this art. Look at, she has a unique way when she does her journaling and she does her different art. It's just beautiful. It's just Mod Podge papers, and it's just beautiful. I wonder if I can get down a little bit more to kind of show you if I close up. She had done that by hand. Isn't that beautiful? Just absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to keep this envelope. I cut it open from the side like this, and I opened it up. And I got this beautiful thank you note. She had handwritten a beautiful note to me. And I'm very grateful because I love when I get packages like this, because, you know, when you work really hard throughout the week and you know there's a time you need a pick-me-up, well, this is one of them. So, Elizabeth, I wanted to thank you personally very, very much. You know, I'm going to stress this again, and I'm sure a lot of times you guys are going to get tired of it, but if you follow me, you know I'll say it a lot. Giving goes around big time, because the more you give and the more you inspire people, it comes right back at you, and it gets addicting, and it just tumbles into not like good friendships like I have with here Elizabeth, but it just helps you inspire each other. And in the package, it's amazing that I'm saying this because the first thing I see when I open up the package was this tag, and I don't know if the lighting's going to show. It's this beautiful green tag that she put together. It's a pocket, I should say. And on it says inspire. And that's the first thing I thought when I seen the package, is that she inspires me. A lot of you guys inspire me. And that is huge because, you know, there's a lot of times in life we get into the same routine and pattern. And when you see things like this, it just makes your brain go, and you're like, wow, I want to try that someday. So if you want to follow her, I'm sure she'll show you ways and techniques that she does these kind of things. But look at this cool pocket that has a double tag, like a pocket kind of thing. I hope I said that right. Correct me if I'm wrong down below, but either way, isn't it beautiful? She does beautiful work with dyeing of papers and fabrics, and that looks like that is right there. Look at that beautiful rainbow colors. And so here's the second tag that comes out, and it looks like it is a book page that she did like a cluster right there. And she had stamped the back with her stamp. She had that also on the envelope, but I wanted to show you, but I was afraid it was going to show her address. But it says Never Hopeless by Elizabeth, a really cool stamp that she had created. Someone had created for her, or she created. And she had dyed it, of course, and she created two pockets. And one goes right here. So cool. So follow her on YouTube and check out her channel. I am sure that there's things like this that she's showing you how to create if you want to try it. Also in the package, she sent me these spool cards. Those who know and follow me, I love things like this. And a lot of times I share with others. So in this case, look how cool these are. These are die cuts that she cut out. And she's shown, obviously the first card is the hand vintage lace that is spooled on there, and how you can do it. They already have the slits on it. I don't know if she sells them. Message down below, Elizabeth, if you do. Either way, maybe she shows on her channel how to create these. I mean, it's really cool. All I do know is I'm going to count these. I know I have a package coming out here soon for you guys. I'll just put them in there with some lace. I'm going to count. Depends on the package. I know I got a children's pack coming up, and I have only 10 of them. But maybe I can count these and I put that in there with some lace or something. So again, back to giving. I know the thought that she has just did by giving to me, I can pay it forward and give back to you guys. And in return, let's share her. Let's check out her YouTube channel and follow her. Hopefully she can inspire you to try something new. You guys have a blessed day, and I'm thankful that you guys watched this. Have a good one.